Welcome to What Is, the channel that unravels the mysteries of our world and its most fascinating inhabitants. Today, we're asking a question that might seem simple, but holds layers of incredible complexity. What is a sloth? Often depicted as the epitome of laziness, a slow-motion caricature. The truth of the sloth is far more intricate and, frankly, astonishing. They are not merely slow. They are masters of energy conservation, living a life deliberately designed for efficiency in a challenging environment. At its core, a sloth is an arboreal mammal, native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. There are 6 species, broadly categorized into 2 main groups: two-toed sloths and three-toed sloths. While they share the defining characteristic of slowness, these groups are actually quite distinct, having evolved separately for millions of years. Think of them less like cousins and more like distant relatives who both happened upon a brilliant, albeit unique, solution to life in the canopy. But why are they so slow? This isn't just a lifestyle choice. It's a fundamental biological imperative driven by their diet. Sloths are folivores, meaning their primary food source is leaves. And leaves, for all their abundance, are notoriously low in nutritional value and difficult to digest. Imagine trying to power a complex machine on a diet of mostly cellulose. It's an immense challenge. Sloths have evolved an incredibly slow metabolic rate, the lowest of any non-hibernating mammal. Their body temperature fluctuates more readily than other mammals, a trait sometimes called heterothermy, allowing them to conserve energy when external temperatures drop. This unique physiological adaptation means they simply don't have the internal furnace to generate quick bursts of energy. Their digestive system is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. They possess a large, multi-chambered stomach, much like a cow's, filled with specialized bacteria that break down tough plant matter through fermentation. This process is so slow that it can take weeks, sometimes even a month, for a single meal to pass through their system. This constant, slow digestion makes up a significant portion of their body weight, further contributing to their deliberate pace. Their musculature is also unique, comprising less mass than other mammals of comparable size. It's adapted for sustained hanging rather than rapid movement. Their powerful, curved claws act like natural grappling hooks, allowing them to hang upside down for hours, even while sleeping, without expending much energy. In fact, they can hold their grip even after death. This inverted life is so central to their existence that their fur even grows in the opposite direction, from belly to back, to shed rainwater more efficiently while upside down. And speaking of their fur, this isn't just hair. It's a microscopic metropolis. The fur of a sloth is often teeming with a diverse ecosystem of organisms, algae, fungi, and various insects like moths and beetles. This isn't a sign of poor hygiene. It's a symbiotic relationship. The algae provide camouflage, tinting the sloth's coat green, helping them blend seamlessly into the leafy canopy. Some scientists even hypothesize that sloths might consume the algae, gaining extra nutrients. It's a living, breathing, miniature biome, a testament to their unique adaptation. One of their most iconic adaptations is their incredible neck mobility. Three-toed sloths, for instance, have extra vertebrae in their necks, allowing them to rotate their heads almost 270 degrees. This means they can survey their surroundings for predators or find new leaves to munch on without having to expend precious energy moving their entire body. It's a vital defense mechanism and a foraging strategy rolled into one. Despite their arboreal mastery, sloths do occasionally come down to the ground. This rare descent is primarily for defecation, an energy-intensive and highly vulnerable act that occurs only about once a week. On the ground, sloths are clumsy and exposed, making them easy targets for predators like jaguars, ocelots, and harpy eagles. Any significant injury during this vulnerable period can be life-threatening, as their slow metabolism also means a slower healing process, leaving them susceptible to infection. Their conservation status is a growing concern. Habitat destruction, primarily deforestation for agriculture and development, is the greatest threat to sloth populations. Electrocution from power lines, road accidents when crossing human infrastructure, and illegal pet trade further endanger these gentle creatures. When sloths encounter these man-made dangers, they often require critical intervention. Wildlife rescue centers frequently see sloths suffering from burns, fractures, or dehydration. Their specific physiological needs, like specialized diets and careful handling to prevent stress, require dedicated veterinary care. Rescuers work tirelessly to rehabilitate injured and orphaned sloths, providing everything from intravenous fluids to surgical repairs, aiming to return them to their natural habitat. These efforts highlight the delicate balance of their existence and how readily human encroachment can disrupt it. So, what is a sloth? It is not just a creature defined by slowness, but a living testament to specialized evolution. It is a slow-motion marvel, a biological master of efficiency, and a vital thread in the rich tapestry of rainforest biodiversity. Their deliberate pace is not a flaw, but a finely tuned survival strategy, making them one of the most unique and endearing animals on our planet. If you found this deep dive into the world of sloths as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to What Is For more explorations into the incredible world around us, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to demystify next. Until then, stay curious.